Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I have come up with the South African born Australian writer and the Nobel laureate J.M. Coetzee. J.M. Coetzee was born in the year 1940. Now he is 80 years old in South Africa, now living in Australia. He got the citizenship of Australia in the year 2006. He was also an activist in the anti-apartheid movement. I have already discussed about the term anti-apartheid in the previous video, that is on Nalin Godimer. And except this, he also won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 2003 and won Booker Prize twice for the novels Life and Times of Michael K. in 1983 and for the novel Disgrace in 1999. Now let's talk about the major works by Coetzee. First we have Das Lands, published in the year 1974. The novel based on two stories. First one is Vietnam Project. Here we have the protagonist Eugene. The second one is the narrative of Jacobus Coetzee. Here we have the protagonist Jacobus. The next novel is In the Heart of the Country, published in the year 1977. The book is one of Coetzee's more experimental novel. The story deals with the story of Magda, who is going mad as she was raped by a worker named Henrik, and killing of her father by herself as her father tried to rape the young bride Anna. The next work is Waiting for the Barbarians, published in the year 1980. It was chosen by Penguin for its series Great Book of the 20th Century. This novel was influenced by the Italian writer Dino Buzzati and his novel The Tartar Steppe. This novel tells the story of an unnamed magistrate who is living in a remote outpost of the empire. The theme is based on savagery and barbarism. The next novel is Life and Times of Michael K., published in the year 1983. This novel won the Booker Prize. The story is divided into three parts. Here we have the protagonist Michael K. This novel is a story of a man named Michael K. who makes a journey from Cape Town to his mother's rural birthplace. The setting of this novel is in apartheid era from 1970 to 1980s. This novel is often compared to the novel The Trial, that is written by French Kafka. Next we have Foe, published in the year 1986. The story revolves around the same plot that is in Robinson Crusoe, that is by Daniel Defoe. The story is narrated from the perspective of Susan Barton. The next work is Boyhood, published in the year 1997. It is an autobiographical novel. A subtitle is Scenes from Provincial Life. Next we have Disgrace, published in the year 1999. This work also won Booker Prize. The story talks about the protagonist David Lurie, a South African professor of English who loses everything: his reputation, his job, his peace of mind, and finally even his ability to protect his own daughter. Here we find the reference of the lines that appears in Sailing to Byzantium, that is by W.B. Yeats. No country this for all men. This novel was considered as 100 most influential novels by BBC News. Next we have Youth, again an autobiographical novel. Subtitle is Scenes from Provincial Life 2. And last we have three novels considered as Jesus trilogy. First one is The Childhood of Jesus, published in the year 2013. The School Days of Jesus, published in the year 2016. The Death of Jesus, published in the year 2019. And last we have Remarks. He got the Order of Mapungwe Award, that is considered a highest honor of South Africa, for his exceptional contribution in the field of literature and for putting South Africa on the world stage. So that was all about J.M. Coetzee. If you have any query, please post your comments in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to it and keep watching Thank you.